so far, I can source most. Wala pa ako na-encounter that I couldn't. I'm pretty confident with my prices. So. What's up guys, we're sa Get Nice Store and guess what? We have a special guest. All the way from Jensen, Carl is back. Let's go!
So yun guys, nakabenta tayo kay Sir, what's your name sir? Sean. Sean. And Sir?
Ako, Ronnie.
Ronnie and Sean. Okay, ang binili nila sir, yung New Balance 1906R Jack Harlow collaboration. Walk away. Pakita mo sir Jello. Yan. For magkano lahat?
We sold this for 20,000.
20,000.
And this one for 7,000.
And 7,000. Thank you again Sir Sean and Sir Ronnie. Yan. So dito mo lang nakikita yan sa Get Nice. So yun guys, nakabenta na ako ng dalawa. Wait, ano ginagawa mo bro?
Wait lang. Tangi gagawin ganda kasi dito. Tigo.
Gagi!
LV na NBA collab.
Pinipili mo pa lang, in-order mo na.
Hindi gagawin order ko ni.
In-order na. Kailan dating yan?
Siguro next week guys.
3.5 yung white.
7.5, pwede po.
Yeah.
Pre-order madam, 4 to 7 days lang.
Okay. Bayaran mo na.
Lalabas ko na sa inyo sir, or pwede nyo pong i-pick up din dito pag may land kayo. So okay guys, so we sold one on Cloud, 6 triple white colorway for 12,000 kila sir and kila. So yun guys, benta tayo on Cloud pa rin talaga yung binibenta. Cloud 6. Carl, ang ginagawa mo dyan? Ha?
Ano yan? No, nagsas ka na ako, ginaya kita kanina eh.
Gagi! Ano yan? Ang ganda niya na.
Supreme, man, guys. Blue na, no? Varsity jacket. Kanina kasi, LBO sa'yo. Yung budget ko lang, ano, Supreme.
Gago, magkano yan?
45k.
Nako guys, huwag yung gayahin yung ganyan ha. Sir, ano name mo?
JC.
JC. Nice to meet you bro. Rico. Then business partner ko si
Marco yan. Sense lang po sir, so mini-battle lang siya. Ganyan.
Actually, medyo luxurious gusto kong amoy kasi we're also thinking of renovating yung Get Nice Store guys. Gusto namin mas magmukhang mukhang social yung natin. Kasi mas social yung mga customers natin na pumupunta. Anong company ulit guys?
Expedient.
Expedient
Sending Solution.
Sending Solution. Is this your company or ikaw yung may-ari? Oh, okay brother. Sige. Dahil sinusupport natin din yung mga diba? Ito bro, medyo mas align sa akin yung gantong amoy. So you offered na for 1 year, we'll try out this one. And then after that, if we decide to continue, that means we'll also buy the diffuser itself.
For rent yan sir.
For rent, okay.
But that includes maintenance and refill. You can make it to 2 for something.
2 for
A month.
And then there's no commitment.
No commitment.
My question is, how will it be beneficial to you kung hindi kami magpo-proceed? I wanna know how I can help it.
Siguro po yung yung sa page nga po namin, pwede namin kayong ilagay as client namin, first client. And then,
yung mukha ni Franz nakapost sa page. Sounds good. Walang downfall sa akin. I'm just really the type of person na when I do business, I want it to be win-win. So, let's do it. Sige, game. Ilagay yung setup natin. And then, after maubos niyan, usap tayo dito. Tapos, let's figure out how we can help your business din.
Pero pwede pong pumalike sa internet.
Amoy ko Bango. Sobrang bango, parang parang gusto kong bumili ng sapatos. Yung pag naamoy mo, parang gusto kong bumili ng shoes. Air Max?
Yeah.
Ano colorway yan, brother?
Grey Jewel po ata eh.
Okay.
Ito yung gusto ng mga taga-UK, so...
Yeah. Nice. Cool gigs, bro.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where are you based ba? In the UK?
In the UK, yeah.
Okay. When are you getting back? Tomorrow?
Yeah. We buy shoes in Philippines and
then we ship it
export
over?
it out to...
Cool, okay.
You guys can plug me with some Air Maxes. I buy loads, like
I can, bro.
100 at a time.
I can.
It just depends. Show me some pictures and prices.
Because so far, I can source most. Wala pa ako na-encounter that I couldn't unless it's like a limited release. Like, alam mo naman yung mga off-white na...
Yeah. Of course, I don't know.
Yeah. Yung mga ganun. Pero most, so far, I can source. Nice to meet you, brother. What's your name?
Kyle.
Nice to meet you, brother. Do you have a store in the UK?
Soon.
Cool. Okay. Great.
First ever Filipino.
Yeah. Let's go. Support, bro. If ever I can be your source, I'll give you good prices. My only problem is the shipping. You'll take care of the shipping na. Okay.
Ang talagang kailangan po talaga namin is supply for Air Max 95.
I can. Pretty confident with my prices. On the Nikes, I'm pretty confident.
Even TNs, Air Max Plus.
Yeah. I'm pretty confident I can. Prices are like, sometimes I get it, you'll be surprised, and I'll be transparent of my cost.
Basta talaga Air Max kaya, as in, I can buy 500 units. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you.
send me a message lang. Drip check, okay, sige, si Carl muna. Carl, brother, go.
Okay, I'm back guys. So ito, Jordan baseball cardigan, nasa 8.5. Then of course, yung ano natin, Cactus Jack na pendant. Bling bling yan guys, 8.5 din. Ito pala yung ano ko, yung Spurs Hardwood Classics. Nabili ko lang to sa ano, din sa MOA. Mga 10K, ganun. 10K. Tapos, FOG Essentials na back to school pants. Nasa 8.5. And of course, yung paborito natin, Jumpman Jack, Cactus Jack. Na T-Rex ba tawag dito, di ba? TR?
Yeah, TR.
35,000 pesos.
Ayun, sa akin, anong ira? 2,500 pesos. Carhartt jacket, this is for 8,000 pesos. Carhartt na pants, utility pants, this is for 7,000 to 8,000, depends on the size. And then we have, eto, Timberlands, Justin Timberland guys. Timberlands for 10,500 pesos and pataas, depends on your size.
Yun.